Cindy reactions. Today we got some more music to react to. Today, you guys, we got Peter Gabriel again. This one is Sledgehammer, you guys. Now we just did Peter Gabriel. Now we just reacted to Peter Gabriel and Kate Bush, you guys. And that one was Don't Give Up, you guys. That one was nice. A nice message to encourage people to not give up, especially at your hard times. Don't give up. But it also need that friend to encourage you too, to not give up. So that one was very nice, you guys. That was my first time ever reacting to Peter Gabriel too. So this one is Sledgehammer, you guys. Of course, I'm going to react to the music video, you guys. But if I cannot react to the music video, you guys, then I'm going to have to do a different version. Whichever one do not get blocked. So without further ado, let's get into it, you guys. Now the thumbnail looks crazy. It looks like a train is going around his head. What is that? Honeybee. Sorry, I don't like how this is on me, guys. So I feel like, okay, so he's basically saying he'll be there for her no matter what. This is a lot going on in this video though, so I have to definitely look at the lyrics after this.
Open up your fruit cage.
Fruit cage?
Where the fruit is sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. I'm your sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it.
I'm here, Sludge. Headless chicken dance.
Shed my skin. show up for me. I will show up for you. Show up for you. Show up for me. Show up for me. I will show up for you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Show up for me. Only you. You be coming through. I'm gonna feel that power. I feel that power. Come on, help me through. Come on, help me through. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been feeding the rhythm. I've been feeding the rhythm. What we do is
So I definitely have to look at the lyrics, you guys. The music video, I react to music video, you guys, but if I cannot post it, it has to be the audio. But I feel like he was using like a metaphor for something. Sledgehammer. That he was like, I'll be there for you no matter what. So this is very different from the one I reacted to the other day, you guys. Very, very different. It was a lot going on in the music video, you guys, but I love that he was open-minded and creative with it, if this is the real music video. Loving the jazzy blues pop vibe. Okay, you guys, so let's go to the lyrics. I was looking at the comments. Okay. All you do is call me, I'll be anything you need. You could have a Big Dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping, this amusement never ends. Is this about sex? I want to be your sledgehammer, why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Show me around your fruitcakes, because I will be your honey bee. Open your fruitcakes where the fruit is as sweet as can be. Okay, so, okay. Definitely is about sex. I do believe you guys. But he put in different words. And like I said, in the music video was a lot going on. So nice seeing a different side of him. Instead of the depression and sadness and lonely one I reacted to. So let's get some fun facts, you guys. Sledgehammer is a song by the English rock musician Peter Gabriel. It was released as the lead single from the 5th album, So, 1986. On the 25th album, 1986. I just said that. On April 1986. It was produced by Gabriel and Daniel. It hit #1 in Canada, #21 on July 1986, which spent 4 weeks. #1 on Hot Billboard 100. History. Sledgehammer has been described as a dance rock, blue-eyed soul, and funk. The song was influenced by 1960s song music, particularly made by the Memphis label Stax. Horn track was provided by the horn section, lead by Wayne Jackson, Memphis horn, Stax house musician. Okay. Idea from Otis Reading 2. Sledgehammer music video. Gabriel under the sheet of glass for 60 hours while filming the video, 1 frame at a time. What? Under a sheet of glass for 60 hours while filming the video, 1 frame at a time. It took a lot of hard work, Gabriel recalled. It looked like it. I was thinking at the time, if anyone wants to try and copy this video, good luck to them. 2 dead, headless, fearless chickens were animated using stop motion. That's what I was like, chickens dancing with headless. Solo in the middle. Where was I? In the middle of the song. Okay, you guys, so let me know how you guys feel. Definitely different from what I just reacted to, you guys. If you guys want Gabriel to stay on this channel, let me know down in the comments. Smash the like button, hit that bell, you guys. And I'll keep on this channel, you guys. And like I said, very different from what I just reacted to, with him being lonely and sad and depressed, you guys. So I love the different creativity that has going on when it comes to music. So let's see what else he can bring to the table. Let me know down in the comments, you guys. Let's go.